What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money, from how to save money, how to make more money, and how to invest money. Now in today's video, we're going to cover another fintech credit card that you can get with little to no credit. Now is this product any good? We're going to find out. Now I'm here on their website, and the product I'm referring to is called Pedal Credit. Now there's two options as far as credit card. There's the first option called Pedal One and the second option called Pedal Two. Let's start with Pedal One. With this credit card, this is geared more to the person with little to no credit. Now there's no annual fee. There are late and return payment fees. Your credit limit would be from $500 to $5,000. The APR would be 19.9% to 29.49%. And then you would get 2% to 10% cash back at select merchants. All right, so with the Pedal One card, how can you get approved with little to no credit? Now it says here, credit scores don't tell the whole story. Pedal One looks beyond your credit score to create a cash score based on your banking history. So what you would need to do when you apply for this card is link an online banking account. And that's gonna go in and show your history. If you have any NSF payments, how much money you have in your account, how often you spend on your account, what's your daily revolving balance on your account. Your cash score shows your credit worthiness and can help you qualify for more credit at better rates. So with the Pedal One card, you do have access to 2 to 10% back at select merchants in your area. So there's no annual fee on this card, which is a good thing because, as you may or may not know, anytime you take out a credit card with bad credit, even if you're approved, there's always an annual fee. Whether it be $75, whether it be $150, there's always an annual fee. With this card, there's no annual fee, which is always a good thing because the annual fee is like throwing money down the drain. So Credit Reimagined, see how Pedal card stacks up. So the Pedal One card, cash back at select merchants, no annual fee, no international fees, $500 to $5,000 credit limit, and a 19.9 to 29.49 APR, which falls right in line with the Capital One Platinum MasterCard Mission Lane Classic Visa. So when you apply for these cards, you really don't need too much to start off with. You go to see my offers, you enter your phone number, you're gonna get a call from a person or you're gonna get a text. You're gonna enter some more information. They're gonna do a soft pull on your credit. You're gonna have to, like I said, link your bank account, and from there, they're gonna give you an offer. All right, so let's go to the Pedal Two card. Now this card here is geared for somebody with a little bit better credit, let's say 640 and above. So your rate is gonna vary from 12.9% to 26.9%. Now remember, the starting rate on Pedal One was 19.9%, and your credit limit is gonna be higher from $500 to $10,000. So with this card, you also get cash back from 1% to 1.5%. And that's not on select merchants, that's just across the board anytime you use this card. Designed for your success, Pedal Two is our most advanced card yet. It has no fees of any kind and is designed to help you build your credit. So on top of the 1% to 1.5% cash back, you get 2% to 10% bonus cash back at select merchants. So grow your credit score. With responsible spending and on-time payments, we report to all three major credit bureaus. Now that's with Card One, Pedal One, and Pedal Two. Control your spending, set a budget, and see how much you're left to spend. Feel safe and secure. Freeze your card at any time to protect your account. And rest easy knowing your data is safe and encrypted. So let's see how this Pedal card stacks up to the Apple Card or Discover It cash back. No annual or international fees, check. No late or return payment fees, check. Cash back at select merchants, check. Cash back on every swipe up to 1.5%, check. Minimum credit limit, 500. Variable APR, 12.9 to 26.9%. So the Apple Card has none of these here, but it does have 1% cash back on every swipe. Minimum credit limit, question mark, we don't know. The APR is a little bit lower, starting rate at 10.9 to 21.9%. And the Discover It cash back, no, 1% cash back at every swipe. Minimum credit limit of $500. 11.9 to 22.9% APR. So one thing I like about this card versus other fintech credit cards is that it revolves around a regular billing cycle. It's not a card that automatically withdraws your payment every week or something that you have to pay the balance in full every week or every month. So how is your credit determined? How can you get the top tier of that $5,000 or that $10,000 with the Pedal 2? Well, you are gonna have to link your bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts, that's even better, because that will qualify you potentially for a higher credit limit. And the least amount to no NSF fees would be preferable. The higher the balance you carry in your bank account, let's say you have $1,000 in your bank at every time, or $500 in your bank at every time, that's gonna give you the potential to having a higher credit limit. If you have $5 in your account at all times, you're probably gonna get the low end of the 500, maybe not even qualify. But all you need to qualify is to link your bank account. So as long as you have something in there with no NSFs or a minimum amount of NSF, that's always a good thing. And another thing, showing direct deposit from your check. That's going to be big. Showing how many deposits a month or how many deposits a week you make, and the size of those deposits will also make a determination of how much you are going to be qualified for in credit. So another thing I like about this credit card is the app. Yes, there are other credit card apps that are similar to this one, but this one right here shows you your minimum balance, your statement balance, and the maximum payment you can make on your account. And it's also gonna show you what your interest is gonna be. If you only make the minimum payment, it's gonna show you what your interest is gonna be for that payment, also what your interest is gonna be on the balance. Versus if you make the statement balance, what your interest is gonna be on that balance, and what your interest is gonna be if you pay it off in full every month. Again, you don't have to pay it off every month, but it is gonna show you the different interest that you will be paying with the different amounts of payments you make every month. On top of the easy qualifications to get this credit card with little to no credit, you are gonna start building credit once you are approved for this card. The benefit, it says here, help build credit, not debt. After approval, we give you all the tools you need to build positive credit history and track your score. Your Pedal credit activity will be reported to the 3 major credit bureaus. Plus, you can set a budget and freeze your card at any time. So when you submit a pre-approval application, they're gonna pull a soft inquiry on your credit report, which is not gonna affect your credit score at all. So once you get pre-approved and decide to go with a full application, that's when they do a hard pull on your account. So this is one of the better fintech credit cards that I've seen in a while, with one of the main features being the monthly payment. You can make a minimum payment. Let's say you have a $500 balance, your minimum payment would probably be $35, $45. You can pay it off in full, or you can make that monthly minimum payment. A lot of the other fintech credit cards require you to make payment in full every month, or require you to make an automatic payment every week or bi-weekly. This one doesn't. I hope this video helped you out. I want to thank everybody who subscribed to the channel. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It allows me to make more content just like this video. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.